Hey guys, welcome to Fundations. This is your first Fundations lesson today. And this first lesson is going to go really quick because we're just going to review our short vowel sounds and our digraph sounds. Okay, so let me get Echo. I have Echo here. Okay, because she is going to help us. Now remember, I will say it, I will hold up the card, I will say it first, and then when I hold up Echo, you say it at home with me. Okay, are you ready? We're going to do our vowel sounds first. A, apple, a. Your turn. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. Your turn. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. I, itch, I. O, octopus, a. O, octopus, a. U, up, U, up, Good job. Okay, so those were our short vowel sounds. Now we're going to review our digraph sounds. So remember, a digraph are two letters put together to make one sound, okay? So when we say our digraphs, it only gets one tap, right, for the sound. So we have WH, whistle, w. Your turn. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. Your turn. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. Your turn. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, f. Your turn. TH, thumb, CK, sock, k. Your turn. CK, sock, k. Good job. Okay, your seesaw assignment is going to be, you are going to help me find letters. So on each page of your assignment, you're going to press the megaphone and listen to me say a sound, and then you're going to find the letter that makes that sound. Okay, so I can't wait to see your work. When you're done with your assignment, I will see you in our next Fundations lesson.